welcome back, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. How was your exam? Did you perform well? Okay, let's start our second term. This is the continuation of our second chapter, motion, which we have discussed so far. Did you remember about speed and velocity? Yes, the distance travelled by a moving body per unit time is called its speed, and the displacement travelled by a moving body in a particular direction per unit time is called its velocity. Remember, both have the same unit, meter per second. Today, we are going to discuss uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Let us first learn about uniform speed. Observe this figure. It shows the distance travelled by a car during different time intervals. That is, after the first 2 seconds, the car travelled 20 meters to reach B from A. Similarly, the car travelled the next 20 meters in 2 seconds to reach C from B. So the car travelled 20 meters in every 2 seconds, reached F in 10 seconds. Then, let's try to complete the table with the information. That is, you have to find the speed of the car in every 2 seconds. From A to B, the distance travelled is 20 meters. And the time taken for this is 2 seconds. We know speed equal to distance divided with time. That is 20 divided by 2. That is equal to 10. We know the unit of speed is meter per second. So we can write 10 meter per second. Similarly, we can find the speed in every 2 seconds. And it is clear that the speed of the car is 10 meters per second. That is, in equal interval of time, the car travels equal distance. So we can say the car is in uniform motion. In such situations, we say the car has uniform speed. Next, we are going to learn non-uniform speed. Here is the figure which shows the distance travelled by a car at different time as given earlier. It took 5 meters to reach the car in B from A, and the time taken is 2 seconds. Within the next 2 seconds, the car reached at C from B and travelled at a distance of 15 meters. When it finally reached in 10 seconds, the car had travelled 50 meters. Let's find the speed in each 2 seconds. From A to B, the distance travelled is 5 meters and the time taken for it is 2 seconds. We know speed equal to distance divided by time. So, 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.5 meter per second. Next is from B to C. The distance we have is 15 meter and the time is 2 seconds. So, 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 7.5 meter per second. In the next 2 seconds, that is C to D, the distance travelled is 6 meter and the time taken is 2 seconds. So, speed equal to 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3 meter per second. Next is D to E. The distance is 18 meter and the time taken is 2 seconds. So, speed equal to 18 divided by 2, that is equal to 9 meter per second. And finally, E to F. The distance is 6 meter and the time taken is 2 seconds. So, speed equal to 6 divided by 2, 3 meter per second. So, the distance travelled by the car in equal interval of time are not same. That is, speed is not uniform. So, it is called non-uniform speed. Once again, if a body in motion covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to have uniform speed. And if it covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then the body is said to have non-uniform speed. So students, let's conclude today's session. I think you got a clear idea about uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Thank you.